In today's video, I'm going to show you how to present a PowerPoint on Google Meet. This guide will walk you through the process effortlessly so you can maintain a professional appearance while engaging your audience effectively. Presenting your slides during a virtual meeting is a seamless way to share your ideas visually. By following these steps, you'll be ready to do this with ease. Start by opening the PowerPoint presentation you wish to share on your computer. Make sure all your slides are properly organized and your content is ready to go. This helps you maintain a smooth flow during your presentation. Then, click on the Slideshow tab in PowerPoint, then choose Play from Beginning to activate the presenter view. This view allows you to see your notes and upcoming slides without showing them to the audience. Head over to Google Meet in your browser and join or start a meeting. Before presenting, double-check your audio and video settings to ensure your microphone, webcam, and internet are all working correctly. Once you're in the meeting, go to the bottom of the screen and click the Share Screen or Present Now button. This will open a few different sharing options. Choose a window when prompted. This will show you a list of open windows on your computer. Locate and select your PowerPoint presentation, the one in slideshow mode. After selecting the PowerPoint window, click Share. Your presentation will now be visible to everyone in the meeting. Use your arrow keys or mouse to navigate through the slides as usual. Once your presentation is complete, click Stop Presenting at the bottom of the screen or press Escape on your keyboard if you're using Windows. If you want to present your PowerPoint in a browser tab, then follow these steps. Go to your PowerPoint presentation, click Share, select Share again, select your OneDrive. Wait for the uploading process to complete. Now, copy the link. You can share this link with anyone, and they can view the presentation themselves as well. And paste it into your browser tab. Go to your meeting and click on Share Screen. Now, select your PowerPoint tab and click Share. Go back to your presentation and click Present. As you can see, your presentation is ready. You can change your slide. To stop, click on Stop Presenting.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.